In this video, I'll detail how to edit medical ID on Apple Watch. So if you set up your medical information on your iPhone and now you have an Apple Watch, you want to edit the medical information on your Apple Watch, whether you went to gym and your weight has changed or you discover a new thing about yourself and you want to add the medical information on your iPhone, then you can do this straight away on your Apple Watch. So if I don't know this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to add medical ID on Apple Watch, all you just need to do is press the two crown once to exit the watch face, and while on the app screen, scroll down and click on settings. Then on settings page, just need to scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you see health, and then click on it. Once you click on health, scroll down. Then here you see medical ID, go ahead and click on that. Then once you click on that, here you should see your name, emergency contact, additional information. Now to edit your medical ID on your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is scroll down and then click on edit medical ID. Then you can just scroll down, change your date of birth, your organ donor set, are you pregnant or not, medication if allergic to anything, and here add emergency contact. Just click on the plus icon to add emergency contact, then scroll down until you get to the contact you want to add as your emergency contact on your Apple Watch. You see this, so you cannot use your phone number as an emergency contact. You need to add someone else as your emergency contact. So just keep scrolling until you get to the contact you want to use as your emergency contact. Now once you can find the contact, just click on it. Then who is this person to you? Mother, father, brother, sister. Go ahead and click on whoever the person is. So if the person is your brother, click on it. Then you should see the contact added. And add another emergency contact. Scroll down. Then once you're done, click on the check button, and this is going to update the medic ID on your Apple Watch, and it's going to reflect on your iPhone. So this I can easily edit or change medical ID information on Apple Watch. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.